Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into top products. Today, we're diving into the Maxpower 561381B high-lift blade set, designed specifically for Toro Timecutter Z mowers. If you're looking to upgrade your mowing game, stay tuned because we've got all the details you need. These blades are crafted to deliver exceptional performance for your 50-inch Toro mower. Made right here in the USA, they replace OEM numbers 110-683703 and 115-505903, ensuring a perfect fit and top-notch quality. Each blade measures 17.5 inches in length and 2 to 1 by 4 inches in width, with a 5 by 8 inch center hole diameter. What does that mean for you? Enhanced cutting efficiency and durability, making light work of your lawn maintenance. Now, let's talk benefits. The high-lift design ensures superior bagging and mulching capabilities. Whether you're tackling thick grass or bagging leaves in the fall, these blades are engineered to excel. What sets these blades apart is their construction. Proudly made in the USA from high-quality materials, they're built to withstand the rigors of regular use season after season. Installing them is a breeze, thanks to their precise fit. Many users report easy installation, saving you time and frustration in the garage. Speaking of users, these blades have garnered rave reviews across the board. Customers appreciate the value they provide and how they enhance the performance of their Toro mowers. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best blades for your Toro Timecutter Z mower, look no further than the Maxpower 561381B high-lift blade set. With their robust build, ease of installation, and outstanding performance, they're a solid investment for any lawn care enthusiast. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy mowing!